Hello everyone. So today we are going to learn about the human muscular system, right? As in the previous topic we have already covered about the different kind of muscles which are present in human body. Okay? So here we are going to have a recap of those things. Muscles. What are these actually? These are the soft tissues which are present over the bones, right? So these are the tissues that help in covering our bones. These are made up of bundles of fibers. There are many fibers that are connected to these bones. They are attached to bones by strong fibers called tendons. So, children, tendons is a kind of a tissue which basically helps to connect a muscle to bone. Right? A muscle is attached to a bone with the help of this soft connective tissue which is known as tendon. Muscles, they are attached to muscles by ligaments, right? Either a bone or a muscle and a muscle, these are attached to each other with the help of ligament. And usually when you slip over something, right? So the doctor says that you got a ligament tear, right? So it is this thing that gets ruptured up, right? It is the soft tissue which is present in between either two muscles or two bones. Now, muscles, they cover the whole body, forming a muscular system and gives body a proper shape. So these muscles, they are basically running throughout our body and they help our body in giving a proper shape to it. So you all can see it here very well in this diagram that the entire human body is covered with so many muscles that are present all around, starting from your facial muscles, then the muscles in your arms, then in your legs and the other body cavity. So they entirely form a network or a cage-like structure. The next topic is different kinds of muscles which are present in our body. So this slide basically tells you about the three different kind of muscles which are present in our body. Moving ahead, the first one is voluntary muscles. The muscles that are under our control or will. They are known as voluntary muscles. Next kind is involuntary muscles. The muscles which are not under our control or our will are called involuntary muscles. They keep on functioning on their own. They need not get any signal from us to be functional. Third kind of muscles are cardiac muscles. These muscles are actually the mixture of voluntary as well as involuntary muscles, right? Like involuntary muscles, they are also not under our control or under our will. They keep on working throughout our life without even taking our permission. And like voluntary muscles, they have dark and light alternate bands on them, which are known as stripes. Because of this reason, the voluntary muscles are also known as striped muscles. So here we go. This is a diagram, right? In this slide, this is the diagram which is showing you a voluntary muscle. Voluntary means something that works according to our will, right? Which works according to our guidance. So the muscles that are present in your arms and legs, they are under your control. When you want to move them, then only they'll move. So they are known as voluntary muscles, right? They are working according to our will, not according to their own will. In this slide, let us read few more points related to voluntary muscles. Muscles which are under our control or will are known as voluntary muscles. These muscles, they have stripes on them and are called striped muscles, right? They have alternate dark or light bands. Example, muscles in our arms and legs. These are voluntary muscles because they work according to our will. So children, the next slide deals with involuntary muscles. Okay? Involuntary muscle means those muscles that are not under our control. And as you can very well see in this diagram, there are no striations, no bands at all. That means these are involuntary muscles and these are unstriped, right? They do not have any bands or any alterations on them. They keep on working on their own. For example, the muscles that are present in our eyes. Okay, so let's move on to the next slide, which deals with their explanation. These muscles are not under our control or will. They will keep on working without our knowing it, right? Even without that, they are keep on functioning in our body, right? We don't even have an idea. Example, these are found in eyes, digestive tract, etc. When you eat food, the food gets digested automatically, right? It is because of the presence of these involuntary muscles in our body. Moving on to the next slide, we have cardiac muscles. As the name suggests, cardiac. Cardiac means present in our heart. These are known as our heart muscles. These keep on working throughout our life without getting fatigue even for a single second. Now, there are certain characteristics of cardiac muscles. So this slide deals with them. These muscles are involuntary in function. Again, right? Your heart doesn't ask you before circulating the blood or before beating. It keeps on doing so. They have stripes on them. That means they are striped muscles. They are special kind of muscles which are found only in the heart. That is why they are categorized differently, right? Otherwise, they are involuntary in function, so they should have been categorized along with involuntary muscles only. But because they are the special kind of muscles which are found only in our heart, that's why they are categorized in a different group. So children, now this slide deals with ways to keep our heart healthy. It is very important to keep your heart healthy and fit so that it keeps on working throughout. So you can do this by exercising regularly, by eating a balanced diet which is rich in proteins, and to maintain the correct body posture which you maintain, right? You don't even think while you are writing or while you are eating something, you keep on bending, and all that affects our body functioning. So children, try to eat healthy food, right? Try to do some exercise every day so that your heart and your body remains fit and healthy. Thank you so much for watching this PPT with me. Try to read the chapter from your book. Take care and we'll meet soon.